Here is how to get Roblox Plus on your mobile device. So first, go ahead and search for Roblox application which is installed on your device and launch it. Then after, log into your specific Roblox account where you want to activate your Roblox Plus. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. And here you'll get the option of Roblox Plus, that is between messages and buy gift cards. Go ahead and select it. Now this will take you to a new page. The Roblox Plus starts at $4.99 per month, and you can see several different reasons why you should join Plus. If you want to go ahead and continue, tap on try it for free from the bottom. You'll get different subscription plan. For example, to activate Plus 500, you need to pay $8.99 per month for now, and you'll get 500 Robux per month. Likewise, in 1000, you'll get 1000 Robux and you need to pay $12.99 per month. And in 2000, you need to pay $21.99 per month and you'll get 2000 Robux. Go ahead and select any plan that you prefer, and you need to go ahead, select your payment method like add credit or debit card, enter your card number and all of your card details, including the expiry date, security code, and use this card to pay. Once you've gone through payment process, Roblox Plus will be activated in your account and you can enjoy all the features that comes with it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.